Number 1. 1974 Lincoln Mark IV with 19,000 miles. It has power windows, power door locks, power seats, power antenna, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with 8-track. I have the original window sticker and all the service records from 0 miles to 19,000 miles. It runs great. I just put 4 brand new tires. Had the carburetor overhauled because it was sitting since 2004. I had all the fuel system and tank flushed. Motor and transmission is still strong, 460 V8 with the C6 transmission. It needs a new vinyl top. I have the molding for the port window, selling it because we moved out of our big house into a condominium and no room to park it. At a price, $7,900. Number 2. Clean 1960 Impala convertible. 348 tri-power and freshly rebuilt 350 automatic transmission by one of the best in the business, Community Transmission in Bellflower, ready to cruise. Restored to its original condition. The power top has been serviced by one of the best in the game, system flushed, and new motor. Newly installed brake system. New ABS master cylinder. Brake drum sent out to get professionally slotted and shoes arched to fit by one of the best. He comes from a long line of family business since the 1930s in Long Beach. Newly rebuilt and painted steering column by one of the best in the game, Angel in Azusa. Newly rebuilt heater core by, in Fort Worth, Texas. At a price, $98,500. Number 3. 1967 Mustang GT 500 Tribute, asking $55,000 OBO. Racing car dashing away. I've owned this car for 8 years and love it, but time for some changes. Signature is a decal. Forget the trailer queens, this is a real driver's car. Built to handle 110 degrees Vegas heat and long hauls to Cali without breaking a sweat. If you want the iconic GT 500 look with a 5-speed manual and a roar that turns heads, this is it. The highlights. Engine, Ford 302 V8 comp cams, retrofit roller lifters and cam. GT40 heads, has a couple thousand miles since. No power steering, this is raw, loud and fun. Trans, T5 5-speed manual with new racing clutch. Power windows, power top, power driver seat. Cooling, racing SPAL electric fan, plus pusher fan on AC condenser, runs ice cold in summer traffic. Snowflake. Tech, full LED lighting, headlights/cougar tail lights, custom Bluetooth stereo plus amps, power windows/power top/power seat. Bluetooth stereo and phone mic, 2 amps, 1 for interior speakers to blast with the top down and 1 amp for subwoofer in the trunk. Comfort, full sound deadening throughout. AC and heater work great. Range. Upgraded 22-gallon tank. The real talk. This isn't a $80,000 museum piece, it's with plenty of flaws. Paint looks great but has chips, cracks, faded spots. Chipped windshield from freeway, could use a brake booster soon. Plenty of financing options out there with Woodside Credit, JJ Best or Boulevard Classic Car Loans. This car owned free and clear with clean title. At a price, $55,000. Number 4. 1964 Nova tagged and title. For 21.SBC Dart little m block .30 over. Custom JE pistons. Cali's crank and rods. Dart 230 runner heads. Manly stainless valves. Comp cams roller, Isky Redline roller lifters. 10.1 compression, engine has around 1,000 miles on it. 350 turbo transmission. ACES direct port injection. CCP front end with coilovers. Front disc brakes, new fuel tank in tank fuel pump. Original floor and trunk pans. No rust at all. Does not have windshield wipers. I was going to do the under the dash kit. At a price, $36,000. Number 5. Runs great. Tag to April 26. Needs a lil work inside. Nice candy paint. $10,000 OBO or trade for newer lowrider or something custom on stock. Rims. Gold rims do not come with it. Number 6. Classic 1968 Cadillac. Runs great, perfect weekend car. Use it all the time. Complete new stereo with Bluetooth and subwoofers ready to go. Fun car, just turn the key and drive it. At a price, $16,500. Number 7. A beautiful 1957 Pontiac Chieftain with a 350 motor. Needs a headliner that I plan on installing in February along with new door panels, new seats, and carpet if it doesn't sell by then. It was converted to a 2-door from a 4-door before I got it. At a price, $13,500. Number 8. 1957 Lincoln Premier Coupe, driven 10,000 miles approximate. If it's posted, it's still available. I have other life priorities and this is not one. Car is in good mechanical condition, but needs some cosmetic attention. Rebuilt original 368Y block, mated to a rebuilt 700R4, Aquare suspension, disc brakes and all the trimmings. A good driving car that can be driven as is or finished to your taste. Chopped 4.5 inches with custom polyurethane windshield, with no issues presented. Car is need of a refresh on the paint as exposure to elements caused some cracking. A small rust spot is located on bottom driver rocker, on the outside. I've owned the car 11 years and can give you a good deal of history and can also be seen on the HAMB, since I documented most of the build. Runs and drives well. Open to serious offers. At a price, $26,000. Number 9. 1973 Cadillac for sale. Runs and drives just fine. Cons. K. Needs paint job. The top to the convertible needs restitched and new back glass window. The white walls are brownish, needs new white walls but tires are brand new. Need it gone ASAP. No trades, cash only. It's a project car that needs a good tune-up / minor things. At a price, $7,000. Number 10. This 1955 Chevrolet Nomad custom wagon is build number 121 by Denny's Bowtie Restoration. The frame-off rotisserie restoration took 2 years to complete. This Nomad is powered by a Texas Speed Billet LS3376CA engine with dual billet TorqueStorm superchargers producing 1,125 horsepower, but presently is tuned to 750 horsepower for street use. Power is backed by a Mad Dog special programmed wastegate adjustment 4L70E automatic transmission with an Inland Empire 3.5-inch aluminum driveshaft and strange TrueTrack differential. It's also equipped with a custom stainless exhaust with Bassani stainless mufflers. It sits on an Art Morrison GT chassis with RideTech AirRide suspension. Stopping power comes from Willwood Hydro Boost front and rear big brakes, 13-inch slotted rotors with 6-piston in front and 12-inch slotted rotors in the rear, along with an internal electronic emergency brake. This example also features a RIX 18-gallon stainless fuel tank and a 1,200-amp lithium battery with an Odyssey Remote 750-amp battery. The exterior features an electronic taillight gas fill, Dakota gray shaded glass and Kindigit spoon door handles. The Van Nuys-built Southern California body was placed on a rotisserie, stripped, then metal finished, with several coats of DTM applied and blocked. 4 coats of PPG Greystone metallic were used, then 5 coats of House of Collar Show Clear, then cut and buffed. It rolls on 20x 9-inch AR stiletto front wheels and 20x 10.5-inch stiletto rear wheels, all wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. The custom Corinthian Italian leather interior features a vintage air system, Dakota digital gauges, German square weave wool carpet and a custom Alpine entertainment system with a backup camera display. Performance and drivetrain. Texas Speed Billet LS3376CI engine with dual billet TorqueStorm superchargers. Produces 1,125 HP, currently tuned to 750 HP for street use. Mad Dog 4L70E automatic transmission with special programmed wastegate adjustment. Inland Empire 3.5-inch aluminum driveshaft. Strange TrueTrack differential. Custom stainless exhaust with Bassani stainless mufflers. Chassis and suspension. Art Morrison GT chassis. RideTech Air-Ride suspension. Willwood Hydro-Boost front and rear brakes. 13-inch slotted rotors with 6-piston calipers, front. 12-inch slotted rotors, rear. Internal electronic emergency brake. Fuel and electrical. Rick's 18-gallon stainless fuel tank. 1,200 amp lithium battery with Odyssey remote 750 amp backup. Exterior features. Van Nuys built Southern California body, fully stripped and metal finished. 4 coats of PPG Greystone metallic and 5 coats of House of Collar show clear. Dakota gray shaded glass. Kindigit spoon door handles. Electronic taillight gas fill. 20x 9-inch AR stiletto front wheels and 20x 10.5-inch rear wheels. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Interior and comfort. Custom Corinthian Italian leather upholstery. Vintage air system. Dakota digital gauges. German square weave wool carpeting. Alpine entertainment system with backup camera display. At a price, $500,000. Number 11.